Hello again. Next is the customer review section. What our customer says about us is important. That's why this section should be dynamic. It should also be changed in the database. We had a review table. As you can see, we need a review table. And now, firstly, let's make a sample data entries in our customer table and go. First customer name is Jonathan Miller. Customer title organic food lover with Italy. Okay, and comment the quality of the organic vegetables. The quality of the organic vegetables I bought was amazing. Fresh, delicious, and high in nutritional value. I can really feel the difference. I can really feel the difference. I definitely recommend it. Okay, good. Image URL test. We can edit later image URL for Jonathan Miller. And we need we can enter 3 sample data here. For example, second, Sophia Bauer. Okay, nutritionist, and where is from Germany. Okay, comment as a nutritionist, and I always look for the best organic products. And this farm exceeded my expectations. Okay, the fruits were incredibly fresh. The eggs had a natural taste. I will definitely order again. Okay, good. Image URL test 2. Okay, we need final customer Liam O'Connor. Title chef, and only chef. Where is from? For example, Ireland. Okay, comment cooking with this organic ingredients has taken the flowers to a whole new level. The freshness from farm to table is unbeatable. My customers have noticed the difference too. Okay, good. and image URL test3. Okay, we can go to image URL. We can use go to Yandex and man people. We can use this photo, right click and open in new tab in the browser and right click, copy, go to SQL, delete image URL and right click, paste it. Okay, Jonathan Miller is ready. Liam O'Connor, go to this and man people chef. Okay, who is Liam? It must be right click and right click, copy URL and delete this here, right click, paste it. Okay, and we need nutritionist, go to images, woman. Okay, we can use this. No, we don't use Adobe stock, right? We can use, no, this is not really quality. Okay, right click and right click, copy this here, go to SQL, delete test2 and instead image URL. Okay, good. Go to Solution Explorer and we need a View components, close default and close default visit from component partial, close, you can close default controller and go to View components. On default View components, right click this folder, add new class. We need a new class underscore default testimonial or review. You can see, you can write review, default review section component partial. Okay, and we need inherit with component control dot. You can choose using Microsoft ASP.NET Core MVC private read only I review service and underscore review service control dot. We need generate constructor. Okay, our review service is ready. Public IW component result invoke. Okay, var values underscore review service dot get all return view with values. Okay, copy this class name and go to views and go to share it, right click components folder, add new view, add new folder. Our folder name is underscore default review section component partial, right click on this folder, add new view. We need a view, razor view name must be default and add click. I hope you can understand me easily. This is our 45, actually 45th lesson. 41st lesson. 41st lesson. I'm waiting for create. Okay. Delete this here and model list. We need close and again open. List is ready. Go to views and with imports. We need to review details. Control D and delete this here. We need we don't have review details. Okay, no problem. Go to details. Where is details? Detail layer, details, and right click detail layer. Right click details folder, add new folder. Our folder name is review details. Okay, and right click, add new class. First, we need only results, review detail, results, review detail. Must be public and go to entity layer and go to concrete and go to review. We need this property, right click, copy and close this tab, paste it, review ID, customer name, customer title, comment and image URL. Okay, and we need review details. Okay, go to, is it true? Okay, good, close this tab. Go to result review detail. Okay, go to index, and we need this line cut and await component dot invoke async, and we need a name. What is name? Our name is firstly right click, paste it, and go to view component, right click, name, copy, and go to index, paste it. Okay, this is ready. Go to default, and this is customer review. Okay, you can change statically. We can change this line. Okay, this is first, this is second, and this is third, and this is fourth. We can delete 3 lines, and we need only one review, and we need a for each var item in model. Okay, and cut this line and paste it. We need a add item dot comment. Okay, and client name at item dot name, customer name, and item dot title, and we need a image URL at item dot image URL. Go to index and Ctrl Shift W. I hope you can understand me easily, and I hope it's work. I'm waiting for open, default, and index. We need a registration. I'm so sorry. Go to program.cs, and we need registration for review builder.services.add scope, and I review service with review manager, and this is builder.services.add scope, and I review dal with review ef review dal. Okay, good. Go to index and again Ctrl Shift W. I hope it works. And as you can see, oh wow. And clear concrete system generic list review details. I'm so sorry. We need a mapping, general mapping. Okay, create map, results review detail with review, and reverse map. Okay. Go to index. I hope this time it works. Default and index. Oh. We have a error. We have a problem. Go to Solution Explorer and go to Business Layer, go to Concrete, go to Review Manager, and to get all review get all. Okay, this is not wrong. Review service and to get all invoke. Okay, return view values. Go to default. This is list for each. Now I don't see what's wrong. We can continue from here. Next lesson. Have a good day.